This video documents a one-day systems test using a water-based epoxy primer, binder, and a low-odor polyaspartic. The process starts with old sealer removal by diamond cleaning. A 2532 seg is used to fully clean the floor and remove any elevation inequalities. Next is wand vacuuming to recover bulk dust. The wand is set low so it achieves maximum suction. A slow pass is made to extract all loose surface dust. Following this is dedusting by shop blaster. The process removes all grinding dust that's been compressed into the concrete surface pores. The visible difference in color is related to the grinding residue being removed. Next is a water-based epoxy being used as a primer. It's a two-component product that's been colored to provide full slab opacity. Once mixed, it's applied by drywall scraper as a skim coat. Its purpose is to fill surface pores and minor surface defects. Once finished, excess primer can be recovered using some tape and plastic. "90 minutes later, a water-based epoxy binder coat is pre-mixed, measured, and combined. It's a pre-pigmented formula that provides good opacity at less than 10 mils. It's applied by squeegee, followed by a back roll. Immediately following epoxy placement, vinyl chip is broadcasted to rejection. Two hours later, excess flake is blown from the surface. It can be reclaimed or discarded. A light scrape is done to break any flake edges that will become sharp once sealed. A final pass with the blower removes any remaining loose pieces. Next is the polyaspartic grout and seal coat. It's a two-component low-odor traffic coat. It's formulated for extended working time of 20 to 25 minutes. It's applied here by window squeegee. And a smoothing back roll. After 16 hours, the floor is cured enough to support traffic. There's no sharp flake edges, and its gloss is uniform. And that's about it. A one-day systems test using a water-based epoxy primer, binder, and a low-odor polyaspartic.